today we will discuss the second part of the conjunctions. This is correlative conjunctions that are used in pairs like both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, though, yet, so that, hardly, when, whether or, no sooner than. There are some examples for you to make you understand. He is both hardworking and intelligent. Though he is poor, yet he is contented. Hardly had it begun raining when the wall collapsed. You are requested to participate in the games whether you are interested or not. He is not only an actor but also an officer. So these are the examples of the correlative conjunctions. So in these sentences, you will have to contrast with the sentences. Now the third part is subordinating conjunctions that are when, while, as soon as, till, until, if, unless, because, since, as, before, after, as long as, though, although. So here are some conditions when these conjunctions are being used to structure a sentence. Like he came in when it began to rain. Like in this sentence it has been discussed about a time. I'll wait till he comes back. Like if we are talking about a place, like wherever these conjunctions are being used, and in the state of interference, so, therefore, hence and for is used. If we will have to mention any reason, any ground, then we can use as, since, because, for. And for the state of time, when, while, after, before, till, until, since is being used. And as well as soon as long as is also one of the time zones. Purpose, for the matter of purpose, that, so that, in order that is being used. And now these type of the subordinating conjunction structure a sentence.